Hi, everyone. This is Wes Fryer, and today is January 31st, 2025. I'd like to make a quick video to show you for a Scratch project how you can actually save it to your computer and then you can upload it into another project and replace that project. And this is particularly helpful if you want to remix a project. And in some cases, as a teacher, I am creating assignments and I want students to create a remix. And so if you're a person who is in that situation, this may be helpful to you. So I will include a link to this in the description of this video. This is a lesson that I call Animate a Science Concept. I want to introduce some different blocks to my students. And the steps are basically to check out some example projects and then make a Scratch project, which includes these 4 blocks at least once and optionally uses this block. And that's pretty much it. Now, when you're going to ask people to check out projects, one of the ways to do that is, um, you know, create one example project. But you can also create what's called a studio. And so I do have a studio of projects that students have created in the past. But when you create, or in this case, I've created a project and made it a template, students can actually remix it. And then when you go down to the bottom of that project and view all remixes, you can see all the projects that students have created remixing that particular project. So in this case, these are projects that students have created this semester. But sometimes a student will create a project and they forget to do that. And so that's what I'm going to show you here that you can do. So in order to do that, and this isn't my project, this was created by a student. What you need to do is, I don't know why that's all. You need to save the project. So I'm going to go into the code view and I'm going to go to file and choose save to your computer. So I'm saving this project down to my computer. Now, in this case, again, this is not my project. So I'm going to copy this project to give credit to this creator, who is what's our homework. And so what I can do now is I can go to that original project that I was supposed to remix. Okay. This is a project that I made with the account I'm using as a teacher. I'm in a separate account. And to do this, you have to be in a different account from the one that created the project you want to remix. So here it is. I'm going to go ahead and click the green button here that says remix project. And now I'm going to have a blank project that doesn't really have any code in it at all. Actually has this little centaur, but I'm just going to delete that. But it doesn't really matter because everything here is going to be replaced. So all I did was click remix on the project that, in this case, the teacher said to remix. And I can now go to file and choose load from your computer. And that project is probably going to be in your downloads. When you do this, it says replace the current project. Be careful. Make sure you really want to do this. When you click OK, all of the contents of your new project are going to be replaced. And so I can say, credits to for this project. And I'm going to paste the link to the actual project. And then something that's kind of cool when I do credits is if you want to get the name of the creator, okay, their actual profile. So in this case, it's what's our homework. I can go ahead and use the @ symbol and it's going to link that up when I share it. So I'm going to say, remix of science concept. I'll just say tools on the Firefly Blue Ghost 1. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and share it. So now other people can see this project. And if I view this, when I'm not logged in, I'll view this in an incognito window and see how it looks. And I can actually click here on the link and go to what's our homework's profile. And I can click the link and actually go to that project. Okay. But now this project is a remix of the original. And how do I know that? Right here, I can see it says, thanks to W. Fryer for the original project, Animated Science Concept. So I am Wes Fryer. You can visit my website, lessons.wesfryer.com for more of my Scratch lessons if you're interested. And I hope this has been helpful to you. Happy scratching. Good luck.